Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to animate a picture on DaVinci Resolve using keyframes. So what exactly are keyframes is a big question. Keyframes are a crucial point or frame that defines the starting or ending position of an object or a character. It serves as a reference point for animators to create smooth and fluid motion. Keyframes are essential in both two-dimensional and three-dimensional animation, and by setting keyframes at specific intervals, animators can define the important poses or movements in an animation sequence. The computer then fills the gaps between keyframes, creating the illusion of movement. So jumping back into DaVinci Resolve here, I'm going to click on our transform icon, and there's a little box in the middle corner. And then I'm going to open up our inspector tab. And in our inspector tab, we're going to make sure it's on the video category. Now I'm adding time to the video to allow the demonstration of the keyframe. So I'm going to start off at the beginning where I want the keyframe to begin, and then I'm going to move my camera icon to the left. Going back over to the right, each one of these diamond icons are our keyframes, and for this example I'm going to be using the position keyframe. So I'm going to give that a click, and then it should light up red indicating that it's on. Now I'm going to move on the timeline to where I want the keyframe to end, and then I'm going to click on our camera, and then I'm going to move it over to the corner where I want it to end at. The red line is DaVinci indicating to us that the photo will basically be animated. So when we hit play, it should be moving the photo. Now here I can take the icon and I can drag it up and down on the Y and X axis. Same with dragging it in the middle as well, up and down. But I want to rotate the picture, so I'm going to drag it to the beginning, and then I'm going to give the keyframe a click, and I'm going to move over to rotation angle. And in rotation angle, I'm going to give that a click, and it should light up. And I'm going to move over to the ending keyframe. Now I'm going to set it on a 360-degree angle, moving counterclockwise. And now once that's set, we can move it back, and DaVinci should play the picture rotating in the video. And going back over to our right corner, we can see arrows on each of the keyframes. These indicate moving between keyframes on the X and Y axis. Giving that corner a right click, we can see ease in and ease out in a second here. Ease in and ease out basically mean adding more time to the photo, which causes it to speed up the animation process. And that is it to keyframes.